Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is a freaking gorgeous day out today and I have not seen the sun in weeks, we're talking, so I thought that I would take advantage of the nice weather and do a little arts and crafts today. So I have been seeing so many posts about bleach tie-dyeing clothes. It's like all the rage right now, so I thought that I would try it out today and see if I make anything cool. I've picked out a few pieces from my closet that could use little TLC. So I have 4 things I'm gonna dye. So I'm gonna do this shirt, pair of sweatpants, I've got this purple shirt that has like an open back, and then a pair of jeans. These are so sick. So I just rinsed everything, but now I have to wash them and dry them before I can reveal the final products. And just from rinsing them, they look so sick. Some things took the bleach better than others, but that's also because you're supposed to do it with 100% cotton, and I did not check everything that I bleached. And also I used like bleach cleaner. It wasn't just pure bleach. That's why it was kind of soapy when I sprayed it, but you know, you gotta work with what you have. I think it still did its job, but we will see.
1 hour later.
So everything has been washed and dried, and I am so happy with the turnout. So, are we ready for the big reveal? Of course, I had to start with my favorite DIY. Like, these are so sick. I feel like they're cute enough that I could even wear them out in public now, which I never would do before with sweatpants. These are definitely gonna take my quarantine outfits to the next level because now I won't look like just a total bum. I'll be a cute bum. I really love how this one turned out. I don't really wear this that much, usually just to bed, but now it's like actually cute and I can wear it places. I just cropped it because it was full length and then just went ham with the bleach. So when I was first dyeing the jeans, I was a little disappointed because I knew that it wasn't even, but now that I have them on, I don't think it makes too much of a difference. They're very trendy and I would never pay for a pair of jeans like this only because I don't know how long it'll be until I'm sick of them, but this is how they turned out on the back. Like I said, they are spotty, but I might re-dye them. All in all, these are still cute. I don't know if you can tell the color on camera, but this is actually a dark green shirt, and then the bleach kind of turned almost orange. This one is like so dope, and I never use that word, but I think it looks so cool. Almost looks store-bought. Made a plain, boring t-shirt fun. This shirt is really cute as well. I mean, it's just your classic tie-dye look. I don't know, there's nothing like extremely exciting about this one, but I do love the back of this shirt. Obviously, I'm not wearing the right type of bra, but I think that's a cute little detail. And I've actually never worn this. It still had the tags on when I started dyeing it. So now I'll actually get some use out of it. Overall, I'm really happy with how everything turned out. When I was spraying it, there was like soap coming out. So yeah, I definitely had my doubts if they would work, but I was very pleasantly surprised. So thanks so much for watching. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun. Let me know which one's your favorite, and yeah, I will just see you in my next video.